Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies here today, and we are standing in front of our Hydro Blast unit and a little bit about the Hydro Blast and what it's used for and how it works. This process with the Hydro Blast is great for treating your parts before you go to your vapor honing machine. If you've got really greasy and dirty parts, you can put them in here, clean them a little bit, get that grease and stuff off so your vapor honing machine doesn't get as dirty. It also can be used as a post process. If you're cleaning up parts and you want to make sure that you've got all that media out, you can put it back inside this machine and blast it again, and it'll actually remove any leftover media that's in the machine. The trick to this is you have heated water, and you've also got about 1200 PSI, and it does come with a heater where you can actually set the temperature to about 117 degrees, so you have heated water inside your machine. You hook your air up to it, you hit your foot pedal, and you're blasting. It comes with the wiper, and it's a great process, like I said, for cleaning and degreasing parts, or to make sure you've got media out in the end once you're through blasting. If you have any questions or comments about this, you can give us a call. If you're interested in purchasing this machine, you can check in the comments below. And as always, phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.